Do you know who truly holds the throne of the world? On one side is a nation whose currency rules the globe, and on the other is the one known as the world's factory. America and China. These are not just two countries, but two different worlds. But will America's $40 trillion debt lead to its downfall? Or will China's massive navy make it the next global superpower? Today on Unlocking Peace, we will compare this epic rivalry in the light of facts and reality. To economic comparison, economy. In the field of economy, there is a fierce competition between the two, but the scales are different. GDP. The United States remains the world's largest economy by nominal GDP, approximately 29 trillion. However, in terms of purchasing power parity, PPP, China has already overtaken the US. Strength. The US dollar is the world's safest reserve currency, giving America dominance over the global financial system. China's strength lies in its industrial manufacturing. It is rightly called the factory of the world. 3. The burden of debt. Both nations are under significant pressure regarding debt, but the nature of it differs. United States. The US national debt is currently approaching $40 trillion. This is a staggering figure, but because most global trade happens in dollars, the US continues to manage this burden. China. China's official government debt seems lower than America's, but they face massive debt within local governments and the real estate sector, like the Evergrande crisis, which poses a major risk to their economy. 4. Military power. Militarily, both countries have their own unique advantages. United States, the US military budget is the highest in the world, over $900 billion. America possesses 11 advanced aircraft carriers, and its air superiority, with jets like the F-35, remains unmatched for now. China. China now has the world's largest navy by number of ships. It has made rapid progress in hypersonic missiles and AI-based weaponry. China now has the capability to challenge the US specifically within its own region, the Pacific Ocean. 5. Conclusion d'outre. So who do you think will be the next superpower? Will the reign of the dollar continue? Or will China's manufacturing dominance take the lead? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this informative video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more insights into global facts and knowledge, subscribe to Unlocking Peace right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you.